Now come to next topic, right angle triangles and Pythagoras property. What is right angle triangle? It is a triangle in which one angle is of 90 degree. And let A, B and C be the sides of this triangle. Now in right angle triangle, the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse and the other two sides are called its legs. Now, what is Pythagoras property? In a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Here in this figure, right angle triangle, name it as A, B and C. Here it is a right angle at B, the side opposite to B, it is called hypotenuse. And the other two sides, BC, it is called base, and AB, it is called perpendicular. So this property can be written as hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. If you take the symbols ABC, then it can be written as A square equal to B square plus C square. Or if you take the sides, then it can be written as AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. If the Pythagoras property holds, the triangle must be a right angle. Now come to next. Come to exercise 6.5. First question. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. If PQ is 10 centimeter, PR is 24 centimeter, then find QR. Let us take this right angle triangle. Name it as P, Q, and R. Here it is right angle at P. Here PQ is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. And PR, it is 24 centimeter. You have to find out QR. In right triangle, in right angle triangle, PQR. Here hypotenuse square, it is equivalent to perpendicular square plus base square by Pythagoras theorem. Now hypotenuse, it is QR. It can be written as QR square equal to perpendicular. Here is PR. PR square plus base, it is PQ square. Now put the values. QR square equal to PR. It is 24. It is 24 whole square plus PQ. It is 10 whole square or QR square equal to square of 24. It is 576 plus square of 10. it is 100, or QR square equal to, add 576 plus 100, it is 676. Now QR square equal to, you have to find out 676 is the square of which number? It is the square of 26. This can be written as 26 whole square. Here we can cancel this. QR equal to 26 centimeter. This is your answer. Come to next. Question number 2. In triangle ABC is a triangle right angle at C. If AB equal to 25 centimeter and AC equal to 7 centimeter, find BC. Here, take this triangle. It is right angled at C. Right here C. Then A and B. It is right angled at C. Here AB is 25 centimeter and AC is 7 centimeter. Here in right triangle ABC, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse, here it is AB. AB square equal to perpendicular, it is BC. BC square plus base, it is AC. AC square. Here AB is 25. Write down 25 whole square equal to BC. You have to find out. Write as it is plus AC, it is 7. 7 square. From here find the value of BC. The square of 25, it is 625 equal to BC square plus 49. Bring 49 on left hand side. It can be written as 625 minus 49 equal to BC square. 625 minus 49, it is 576 equal to BC square. 576 is the square of 24. You can write it as 24 whole square equal to BC whole square. Here you can cancel this 2. So BC equal to 24 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to next. Question number 3. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12-meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance E. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. See this figure. It is right angle. Name this triangle as A, B, right angle at C. Here AC is 12 meter, AB is 15 meter, and BC, let us take it as E. Now in right triangle, ACB. Here hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square by Pythagoras theorem. Here hypotenuse is AB. The AB square equal to perpendicular, it is AC. AC square plus base, it is BC. BC square. AB, it is 15. 15 is square equal to AC, it is 12. 12 is square plus BC is A square. Square of 15, it is 225 equal to 12 is square, it is 144 plus A square. Now bring 144 on left hand side. This can be written as 225 minus 144 equal to A square. Subtract it, you will get 225 minus 144 equal to 81. 81 equal to A square. 81 is the square of 9. This can be written as 9 square equal to A square. Here cancel the square. A equal to 9. Therefore, the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 9 meter. Now come to next question.